Welcome once again. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can be able to make deposit into your OW Football wallet. Okay, how you can be able to make deposit into your OW Football wallet. So let's ride on it. So the first thing you're going to do is to log in into your OW Football account. Okay, and then you click on my here, the last button below. Okay, then the next thing you're going to do is to click on recharge. Okay, you click on recharge, you click on USDT. Okay, and then you're going to tick this box here, you tick it, and then you input the amount you want to recharge here. Okay, then I'm going to recharge 64 USDT. Then I'll click on confirm recharge. Okay, it's loading. Still loading. Okay, so this page is going to automatically pop up. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to copy this address. Okay, this is TRC20 wallet address. Okay, do not make a mistake. There is a warning here. Warning: each QR code can only be paid once. The second time cannot be received. Okay, so once you make deposit through this address, do not make another deposit through this address again, because they're going to give you another address once you want to make another deposit. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to click on copy address. Okay, copy the address, and do not close this page. Do not close this page. Okay, because you're going to come back here. So you're going straight to your Bitcoin wallet. Okay, then you tap on USDT and then click on send. Yeah, click on send. So I'll click on send, and then I'm going to select the TRC20 here. So this is TRC20. I'm going to tap on it, and then I'm going to input the address that I copied there. Okay, paste it here, and then click on continue. Okay, don't forget, click on continue, and then you're going to input exact amount that you input on your OW account. Okay, make sure the both amounts are corresponding. I added 64 USDT there, so I will say add 64 USDT here. Okay, I had 64 USDT on my OW account on the deposit, so I'm going to add 64 USDT here also, so that the both amount will correspond. Okay, then I click on continue. So what am I going to do again? I'm going to confirm. Yeah, click on confirm. I'm going to input the security code there from my email. Copy. I then go back to my Bitcoin wallet, and then I paste the code successful. Okay, so I'm going to click on done. Okay, I'll go to my USDT, click on transaction. You see the transaction that I made here. Click on it, it's showing pending. So once the transaction has been confirmed, it's going to be automatically being deposited into my OW Football wallet. Okay, so I'll go back to my OW Football and then wait for the company to confirm my transaction, and it's going to show success. Okay, let's just wait till they confirm the transaction. Let's wait as we confirm the transaction. If you're enjoying this video, type 111. If you're enjoying this video, type 111. Okay, type 111 in the comment section. Type 111 if you're enjoying this video. I know most of you be finding it difficult to make deposits. In this video, I've given you step by step every single step you need to know. So type 111 if this video is helpful. Okay, we're still waiting for confirmation, so let's just be patient as the company receive our transaction and then confirm our deposit. Okay, type 111 if this video is helpful. So yes, it was. Thank you for your feedback. Then let's go back to our OW. Our transaction has been confirmed, so it's going to be boom. Look at it here. Look at it. Okay, I guess you found something helpful from this video. Drop your comments below, and then if you've not joined this platform before, the link in my description, join and then enjoy this benefits. Okay, thank you.